Every click, every purchase, every search, and every interaction we make online creates data. But here is something interesting. Companies today are not struggling because they have less data. They are struggling because they have more data than they know how to use it. A million customer records, thousands of transactions, endless reports, but without the right analysis, data is just a collection of numbers. This is where one of the most in-demand careers of today comes in. That is data analyst. A data analyst is a person who transforms raw information into meaningful insights that help businesses make smarter decisions. Whether it is understanding why sales are dropping, finding customer behavior patterns, improving marketing campaigns, or helping companies plan their next move, data analysts play a critical role behind the scenes. And do you know about the best part? You do not always need a computer science degree or years of experience to start this career. With the right set of skills, tools, and roadmap, you can build a career in data analytics from the ground up. According to the reports, there are more than 2 lakh data analyst job openings available globally, with an average salary of around 6 lakhs rupees. The demand of skilled data professionals continues to grow as businesses become more data driven. So the big question is, how do you become a data analyst? What skills do you need to learn? Which tools should you focus on? And how do you move from a beginner to a job-ready professional? So in this video, we will break down the complete data analyst career roadmap step by step. First, let's understand what a data analyst actually does. A data analyst works with data to identify trends, solve business problems, and communicate insights. Their work involves analyzing key business matrices, performing exploratory data analysis, creating dashboards, and collaborating with different teams like finance, marketing, sales, product, and operations. For example, imagine an online shopping company notices that customers are adding products to their cart but not completely purchasing it. A data analyst can study customer behavior, analyze website data, identify patterns, and help the company understand where the problem exists. Now let's look at the journey of how to become a data analyst. So the first step is building strong foundations. Start by understanding business concepts like important metrics like revenue, conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, and customer lifetime value. Then strengthen your Excel skills. Excel remains one of the most widely used tools in analytics. You should learn formulas, pivot tables, data cleaning techniques, and dashboard creation. The next important skill is SQL. SQL allows you to communicate with databases. You extract the information that you actually need. So begin with SQL fundamentals like select, filter data, sorting, grouping, and then move towards advanced concepts like joins, aggregate functions, and much more. Once you know how to collect and organize data, the next step is learning how to analyze it. This includes understanding basic statistics, identifying patterns, finding relationship between data points, and making data-driven conclusions. After analysis comes visualization. A great data analyst does not just find insights. They know how to present those insights clearly. Tools like Power BI and Tableau help you create dashboards and reports that make complex information easy to understand for business teams. As you progress, learning Python can give you additional advantage. Python libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib help analysts work with large datasets, automate repetitive tasks, and perform deeper analysis. But learning tools alone is not enough. You need practical experience too. Build projects that demonstrate your skills. Create a sales dashboard, analyze customer churn, build a marketing performance report, perform an exploratory data analysis project. These projects become your portfolio and help recruiters understand how you approach real-world problems. After developing your technical skills, the next step is choosing a specialization. You can explore areas like marketing analytics, product analytics, finance analytics, operations analytics, or business analytics. Specialization helps you understand industry-specific problems and makes your profile more valuable. However, becoming a successful data analyst is not about having only technical knowledge. Communication skills are equally important. A data analyst must explain insights clearly, ask the right questions, and connect numbers with business decisions. Because companies do not just need someone who can create reports, they need professionals who can answer important questions. The questions like why did revenue decrease? Which customers should focus on? What strategy can improve the performance? That is the real power of data analytics. So, the complete journey looks like this. Start with Excel and business fundamentals. Learn SQL and data cleaning. Develop visualization skills using Power BI or Tableau. Understand statistics and learn Python basics. Build projects and create your portfolio. Choose your specialization and prepare yourself for real-world analytics roles. And if you are confused about where to begin and how to structure your learning journey, we have created a complete data analyst roadmap just for you. This roadmap covers everything from beginner level foundations to advanced skills, projects, and career growth steps. Click the link in the description box below to explore the complete data analyst roadmap and start your journey towards becoming one with Simplilearn. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such career roadmaps, skill guides, and technology insights. See you in the next one.